All right, so you want to start kind of to the side of your space because we do travel this way a lot, which is probably not optimal, but just give it a go anyways. So we start looking at the ground and it starts straight away. So just try and remember that. And so on the first count, we're going to look up on 1, and then you're going to wait for the second count. And then on count 3, you're going to step your leg back into a lunge and put your top arm up. Then on count 4, you're going to put your other arm to the side. On 5, 6, 7, we're going to take our leg down and bum roll. Good. We're going to stand up. And on 7, 8, or 8 end, we're going to bring our arms out to the side and step forward on our left foot. And then bring our hands together and also bring our feet together. So let's just go over that bit from the start. So we look up, count 1, wait, 2, 3, 4, bum roll, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good, let's keep going. So we've ended here. Our arms are going to come down and back up like that. There we go. Making sure that they're really, really straight because we don't want any bent arms. They look ugly. So when we do that, we're also going to do a gallop to our right. Is that your right? I think it's your right. Should be to your right. We gallop to our right and our arms are going to go up. Good. And our head is going to be looking down while we're doing that. One more time. So we go gallop, head down, go. Gallop, gorgeous. Then we're going to step our left foot around and we're going to sway our arms to that side. I don't know what side that is. Left. Then we're going to do an illusion. So the way that you do an illusion, there's a few different ways, but we're going to teach you the easiest one. You're going to put your right arm out. Put it out like that. Good. Now, you're going to face where you're going. Gorgeous. You're going to put your right arm on the ground. Your left leg is going to come up and you're going to do a little bit of a pivot turn. Pivot turn, pivot turn, pivot turn. Good. Your left leg's going to bend down to the floor and we're going to do a little bum roll. Okay, let's do that again. Let's try and get it a little bit faster this time. So, putting our arm out to the side. No, point your front toe, Lucy. There you go. And we're going to go down, swivel, leg up. Good. Down and bum roll. Awesome job. Try that one a little bit faster this time, maybe full speed. So you ready? We go. Down, up, bum roll, out of it. Good job. I think you got it. Good job. If you didn't get it, keep practicing and come back later. We're going to finish the phrase there and go over it from the start, and then we'll try that phrase with the music. Okay? So we're starting down. We look up, count 1, 3, and 4. Bum roll 5, 6, 7, 8. Gallop 1, 2. Sway 3, 4. Illusion 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And yeah, when we stand up, we're going to turn to face the back because the next phrase is to the back. Let's just try that bit with music.
Why are there so many songs about rainbows, and what's on the other side? Rainbow.
Awesome, let's keep going from there. So we're finished to the back. Good. We're going to push to the right corner. We're going to push to the left corner. We're going to step around to the front with our right foot, and our arms are going to come around with our head. We step to the front, and then we're going to bring it down, and then we're going to snap it back up. Good. So let's just try that bit. So we go push 1, 2, round 3, 4, up 5. Good. After we've done our round the head and snap it up, we're going to step back with that foot, left foot, and we're going to put our left arm to the right side. So we go 1, push 6, I think it is, push 6. Then our next arm goes up, 7. Then we're going to step our left leg into a retire, which is just next to your knee basically. And you're going to step it back. There we go. Tuck your toe. You're going to slide it down to the position we did in our stretching video. Then we're going to put our other hand down and slide our other leg around to join it. You're going to push back and do a little arm. Pretty arm. Lissy, can you move in a little bit because you're about to go off camera? I can't need to see this bit. Gorgeous. Thank you. We do our arm.
With the right arm.
Right arm. Then with our right leg, our arms are going to come up into fifth. Our right leg is going to go across your body. It's going to open out, and your arms are going to come down, and you're going to sit down on your leg. Then your left leg is going to swivel around to the front very gracefully, and we're going to very gracefully stand up. All very graceful. Let's try that from the pushy arms. So let's move in a little bit so that we don't run out of space. Good job. So we're going to go push 1, 2, round 3, 4, up 5, arms 7, 8. Step it around 1, 2, down 3, 4, arms 5, 6, round 7, 8. Stand up 1, 2. Gorgeous. Let's just try that bit with the music.
And what's on the other side? Rainbows are visions, but only illusions. And rainbows have nothing to hide. So we
Gorgeous. So from here, we're going to put our arm on our back knee, and we're going to kick our left leg out. Doesn't matter if it's small. Show them a small kick, Lizzie. Just a little mini one. Or if you have the flexibility, you can go real high if you want. Like that. Thank you, Alyssa. So we step back, kick it 1, 2. We're going to turn around to face the back. We're going to step out. I love how slow you did that. Thank you very much. We're going to step out and put our arms out to the side. Then our arms come up. And that bit's pretty like sharp. It's not like a slow, graceful thing. That's like a 1, 2. So we've done our back kick. 1, 2. Arms 3, up 4. They're going to push down 5, 6. You're going to step together 7. Thank you. So, once again, that's kind of a sharp thing.
Yes.
7. So we push down 5, 6, snap up 7. Look at the front 8. A little bit creepy, but you know, we like creepy. 7, 8. Then you're going to swing your arms. Okay, good. We're going to swing our arms. Right arm on the top, left arm on the bottom. You're going to swing them around until they're both up the top, like this. And you're going to lift up your right leg. Is that right? Yeah, it is. You're going to lift up your right leg. And you're going to end in this position with your right leg on top and your left knee bent. So you're just going to jump basically and see where you land. Jump and down. Gorgeous. Except you're going to be facing the side.
So back arm.
Back arm up. Keep that in mind. Round, down. Very loud. Thank you, Elsa. Then we're going to snap out our arms to the front. Snap. Good. And our feet pivot a little bit so they can see you. Pivot. There we go. Our feet, we're just in a plank position. But that's like a real whack moment. I don't know how to explain it. It's just going to be like a whack.
Yes.
Alyssa will show you the whack. So, we go. We've landed this. We're landed facing this way. We've done our jump and we're going to go whack. Good. And then we crawl up very, very, very slowly. Okay, so we're going to go over that part. Go over it slowly and then we're going to do it with the music. Cool? So, we've stood up from whatever we did last. Oh yes, our little open up. Then we're going to do our back kick, step back kick, hands out, hands up, push it down 5, 6, step together 7, look 8, jump, back arm up, snap it out, then crawl up 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, let's try that bit with music.
So we've been told, and some choose to believe it. I know the wrong way and see. Someday.
Good, we're going to try the whole dance from the top for now. There's still a little bit to go, but we just want to make sure that we know it from the start so that when we finish the dance, we can just run it all together. Cool. Head down.
Why are there so many songs about rainbows? And what's on the other side? Rainbows are visions, but only illusions. And rainbows have nothing to hide. So we've been told, and some choose to believe it. I know the wrong way and see. Someday you'll.
Okay, so last little section, we've just snapped it out and crawled it up. So with this one, although we practiced it going all the way up, you're not actually going to come all the way up. You're going to come to like a little crouch, like where Alyssa is. Then there's like it says someday, somewhere, someday, I don't know. Anyways, there's 2 syllables in the word, and it's like a boom, boom. So you're going to step forward. Step 1, head up 2. So our arms are coming through our body, and we're going to keep our head down for this first one, and on the second one we snap it up. Somewhere, someday, will. Oh, and then we go push out, snap it back in. This bit's very snappy, I don't know why. All good though. Someday we'll find it. Then, oh yes, we step back. What's that? Left arm, left hand. Left arm, left leg. Step back left, step back right. We melt it down. Whew. Do a little breath. Because it makes it more dramatic and we love that. Then, oh yes, we push forward. The lovers. And this bit can kind of be more like graceful. We've been very snappy. That bit's very graceful. Then we do another graceful bit. And then we do another snap. Snap. Good. And then we're done. So let's just go over that section from crawling up. So we've crawled up. Crawl, 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 crawl. I can't really count this bit, so we're just going to sing it. Here we go. Someday we'll find it. The rainbow connection. The lovers, swivel dreamers, snap me. Gorgeous. Let's just try that end section with the music.
Wrong way and see. Someday you'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me.
Okay, because this is a long and kind of difficult dance, we're going to do it once from the start just as a talk through, and then we'll do it with the music. Cool? So, going over it slowly. Head up. 1, arms, go. 3, 4, we bum roll. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Gallop. 1, 2, sway. 3, 4, illusion. 5, 6, bum roll. 7, 8. Push, push, round the head up. Hit it. 1, 2, retire 3, down 4. Leg swings around. We do our little arm. We're going to go up in 5th and stand up. Alyssa, you're off camera. And then we go. Kick it back. 1, 2, arms out. 3, up. 4, push down. 5, 6, step together. 7, head. 8, jump. 1, 2, snap. 3, 4, crawl. 5, 6, 7, 8 steps. Someday we'll find it. the rainbow connection. Down the lovers, swivel, dreamers, step me. Gorgeous. If you need to keep going over it, you are more than welcome to, but if you're ready, we are going to go with music. Have fun.
Why are there so many songs about rainbows? And what's on the other side? Rainbows are visions, but only illusions.